Check out the Maximizer 3000 Pro by Apollo Spray. Here we are in the mixing room setting the pressure on the turbine system through a remote control unit. So in between your primer, base coat, clear coat, you can adjust the pressure without walking back to the turbine system. As you can see, we're spraying base coat, silver metallic. So with a compressed air system, you typically have to do an orientation or drop coat. And with this turbine system, using the high volume at low pressure, under 10 psi and over 65 CFM, your base coat and your metallics lay down and orientate evenly. In this job, we're in a body shop in Texas, Chris and Phil's, and we're spraying sealer on all these pieces, and now we're spraying the silver metallic base coat, and then we'll be laying down the clear coat, all with this one turbine system. This system's good for spraying, small parts all the way up to complete restorations in vehicles. So now we're laying down the clear coat. As you can see, it's going on real evenly. We want to make sure that we're overlapping by at least 75%, so we're keeping our passes very tight. That way we keep our wet edge and we get a factory OEM finish that we're looking for. So we'll spray on one coat of the clear, and we'll come back in about 10 minutes when it starts to flash, tack off, and then lay down a second coat of clear. So this angle right here shows the tight overlap. So you can see 75%. We're staying about 4 to 6 inches from the substrate, and that's going to give you that even coverage and that OEM finish that you want with the clear coat. With Maximizer HVLP electric painting systems, you typically see a 40 to 80% savings in paint. That's due to the low pressure and the transfer efficiency of this system. The most savings being on your base coat and the least being on your clear coat, because you have to turn the pressure up higher in order to atomize your clear coat finish. You typically see a little bit more overspray, which leads to more paint consumption. But with your base coat, we're able to fine tune that pressure at such a low PSI of about 5.5 to 6. And that way your paint is sticking to your substrate and you get less overspray, which increases your savings in paint. If you want to learn more about these systems, please check out our website at www.maximizer.com. Thanks for watching.